What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Gerald from Bank of Gerald here with another video update. Today is Monday, June the 5th, 2023. Today we're going to talk about Tafabot. Now, Tafabot is probably, to be honest with you, it has been a pretty impressive piece of software. Of course, we talked about the fact that it has an app already active in the Apple Store, which is something that we have not seen, quite honestly, even in the other things that had apps on Apple. You had to go through some loop around, run around, some different type of deal to get the app. This is directly in the Apple Store, as well as the Google Play Store. It's already been there. You know, apps don't have much problem getting there. But this piece of software is pretty awesome. I wanted to reiterate some things. One of the things that I wanted to reiterate is that, well, let's just go ahead and say this first. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not giving financial advice. This isn't financial advice, and I am not your financial advisor. All right. I'm just a dude on YouTube showing you guys how I am cranking out that crypto in many different platforms, nothing more and nothing less than that. Now, if you like this content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. If you want to be updated and notified about everything going on here at BOJ, please make sure you hit the notification bell as well. And please, sir, please, ma'am, don't get scammed by the WhatsApp man, because if he gets you, there's nothing I can do to help you. All right. So stay diligent and vigilant in this space and in the comment section. And I'm on Instagram. I ain't hard to find. Y'all go follow me over there as well. Anyway, let's go ahead and talk about Tafabot. Now, as I go to Tafabot here, this is the website. Now, of course, it gives the links to go get it on the Apple Store and the Google Play Store. They talk about the different relationships they have. Now, as a U.S. investor, right, of course, I had to use Binance US. That was pretty much the only one I had access to. Some of these other ones don't even allow you to use them in the United States, but Binance US allows you to do that. When using Binance US, of course, you want to make sure that when you're getting your keys, your API keys and stuff like that, and there's plenty of information on how to find your API keys from Binance US. You can find videos on YouTube. I did the same thing. So you go on there, find somebody that can effectively communicate things that you're trying to learn and know. And finding your API keys is very important as it pertains to being a part of Tafabot as it stands in the United States, and well, just about everywhere. Only the Binance US is what we're able to use here in the States. So I want to make sure that's clear that what I'm using is Binance US. Now, when getting your API keys, the first mistake that I made was letting that API key, secret key, go to another screen before I copied it down, all right? Because you only get to see that thing one good time. And after that, it's a wrap, okay? Anything else you have to do over. So I got to see my key one good time. I clicked out of it, went back, and I was like, oh man, I can't see it no more. So I had to make a whole nother one, which is not hard at all, ladies and gentlemen. It took me seconds to do. You just got to go in there, create a new one. Once you get those credentials, you will go into the app where you will enter these credentials in your wallet. There are tutorial videos on how to do that in the app, ladies and gentlemen. So everything that you need to do between this website here, which is where you get a lot of information, and the actual application where they have tutorial videos pretty much on how to do everything. You can find it there. I want to also mention these three right here. Also in the United States, it doesn't seem like we're able, especially on the Binance US, we're not able to take advantage of futures trading, okay? A lot of the profits that are made in here are made from futures trading and being able to work in that realm of things, right? We are able to take advantage of the spot trading, and we are able to, there's not a lot of spot copy traders in here as well. So I will mention that. But these three right here, these crypto trading bots, okay, I was able to get a part of the neural net bot and the smart invest bot. I haven't gotten the long short martingale bot yet because there's some of the things that they asked me that seem like trader questions, and I don't quite know how to set that up yet. So I can talk to my upline about that. I actually asked him, and he did set up martingale. So that is something that people can set up and be a part of, I believe, with their spot trading. But the two that I'm in are the neural net bot and the smart invest bot. Now, if you click on them, it'll share with you what they are. No humans needed to train the bot. Using deep machine learning technology, the neural net bot will train itself based on historical data, find a pattern, understand the market, and make profitable trades. As the world's first multi-market crypto trading bot, neural net scans multiple markets to identify most profitable trades, automatically executing them on your behalf. Say goodbye to manual research and analysis, and hello to increased returns with neural net. And it has a video right here on how to set that up. Talks about the features. Fully automated system, no user interaction is needed, of course, after you set it up. User-friendly interface, no technical background needed. I can attest to that because I don't have much. Neural net automatically navigates the market by switching between long-term and short-term trends, ensuring profitable trades. Now, of course, we're going to be seeing this over time. This is not something that I'm expecting to see the benefits of immediately, right? But this is a great start for me, okay? And if I go into my actual application here on my phone, and I click on neural net trading bot, and I probably can show you guys this really quickly. Hopefully it'll work for me. All right, we're gonna go ahead and pull this up so people can see it. All right, so this is the neural net part of your app, right? So this is the front, right? This is the front end. Has a couple options here that you can choose: martingale strategy, neural net, multi-market bot, smart invest strategy, and then of course it has some top performing bots by traders, which is cool. But if we click on neural net, right, what it shows is an average of 15% a month. Availability is all coins. All right, so it even shows what it's done so far. 6% in the market. I'm guessing this is for the month so far, or this week. It says this week. So if we're looking at this week, this month, it's done, I guess it's saying it's done 15% already for this month. For those of people that were involved with that. It has a video right here you can click on, which will bring up an actual video you can watch on how to set it up. All right, it has to get started. You can assign how much capital you want to trade with that neural bot. And as long as you have this capital inside of your Binance US wallet, it's there for you. All right. Let's see some other things. So as you can see, I have two bots set up. All right. This SI bot is what you would call, I believe, this smart invest strategy, right? This one is more of a long-term play. This is 100% a year. All right. So that's what this is. It's excellent for hodlers. They say beats the worst bear trap, safe for beginners. Anybody can decide to do that. This is a more long-term play, but it also has a video on how to set up your smart invest bot. So all of this is here for US users. Like I said, Binance US is probably your best bet in getting hooked up with this. You can do that by, let's see, I think you even have the option to create your own bot here. And add your own rules and that kind of stuff. It has mirror trading here, following copy approved traders. Most of them are futures traders, so it's not something that we can do on Binance US that I know of right now. But we're still going to be learning about that as well. And then the martingale strategy, you can earn up to 30% a month. All right, you set it up, you can get started. You can choose whether you want spot or futures. You can only pretty much do spot here. You choose the market that you want to be in right here, right? So if I want to be in Bitcoin market, you can use auto figurations or manually configure. As you can see, it'll have all the different choices that they have here in what you're able to link to. And right now I'm linked to Binance US, as you can see. And there's other options, KuCoin, Coinbase. I have not tried yet. And I don't think I want to link my Coinbase anyway. So that being said, I'm trying to back out of this now. Anyway, but we can just about stop the mirror because that's all I really want to show. Just a little bit of that. But back on the website, it has pretty much everything you need. And I want to encourage everyone to get into the Telegram group down here at the bottom. They have a Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, and Telegram. All right. So if you go to their Telegram group, if you click on that, all right, get involved. I'm going to stop the share here so I can show you guys the Telegram group where they have a lot of information for us all. All right. And there's 9,767 people in this Telegram group, accessible through the home page. Okay. They just talked about how their Binance Lightning Fast Trade Executor upload is completed. So they've updated their futures market bot, I guess, for best experience, start new trades. Other exchange integration will follow in due time. To the moon. They got follow us at Tafabot Signals. You can get over here in Tafabot trade setup. I'm going to go ahead and join that just so I can make sure I'm a part of that. But they've got a lot of different stuff going on here. All right. They talked about their update with the sudden appearance of a suit filed by the SEC against CZ and Binance US has resulted in a sharp sell-off of all coins in the market. They talked about how a total of 301.21 million has been liquidated in the last couple hours. This was today. This was today, ladies and gentlemen. So this is pretty decent crypto news here. We encourage all of the manual traders to trade carefully by using low leverage in times like this because of sudden reversals or further dippings that can accompany the market. This is also a high point on Tafabot users, as we can boldly claim that for our users, following our trims policies have rather benefited in certain moments. In this uncertain moment, we shall continue to provide all our users with the world's most intelligent, safest, and most profitable bot systems to the moon. Tafabot signal. So they talk about a lot in these chats, and I suggest that if you're in Tafabot, get involved with them, get to learning about what's available to us. If you're outside of the United States, I do believe that your options are way larger than ours. So take advantage of that. Of course, you know, United States doesn't seem to want us to be great, but either way, we're going to find a way. But this opportunity here has the makings of something that I believe would be not only close to my number one, definitely in my top 5, but well, of course we have to see the earnings coming through. The active side of things, right, is very impressive. We're earning on 15 levels. We're earning on everyone that decides to not only purchase their membership, but when they upgrade their membership as well. There are 3 different membership levels. There's $100, $500, and $1,000. You can go on the website and check out what those are for. Of course, you need some Tafa fuel in there to make sure that you're paying your fees. So keep your Tafa fuel in there. There's all this information on here. But don't miss out on this because I do believe this is going to be something that helps to get us back on the right track of things that we can at least talk about publicly. All right. There's a lot of stuff we can't talk about on YouTube anymore that are really, really killing it. And I'm going to find a way to be able to at least create a community where we can talk about those things. Maybe not on YouTube, maybe not in the public sector, but something in private. But anyway, I digress from that. Tafabot. Let's take advantage of Tafabot. I know I am, so I can't tell anybody what to do, but I'm going to be taking advantage of Tafabot while I have the chance, while I have the opportunity. And this technology has been extremely impressive. And not only that, when it comes down to the active side too, of course, a lot of you would want to know this. When it comes down to what we're able to earn on a daily basis, that has been impressive as well. I do believe they do payouts every Monday. I'm going to have to check on that. I believe my payout I had like some extra money that I put in there thinking that I could just get involved, like putting the money directly, like the money that I wanted to invest in the bot, right? I thought I could put it like directly into the app, of course, without linking to exchange. Not how this works. You have to link to an exchange. So I started my Binance US at that point, but I still had way more than I needed to purchase a membership, you know, Tafa fuel, way more than I needed. So I did a withdrawal on that. It cleared early this morning, and it hit my wallet. So I think they do it every Monday, but we'll learn more and more about that as we go. Some commissions, I believe, may be available instantly. We're actually going to try to do that because we have some commissions. Actually, I can share this with you guys really quickly. It shouldn't take too long. Why not, right? Let's take the chance while we have the opportunity to do so. There are some people that have joined my team, all at $100 level. So congratulations to those people. All right, clap it up real quick for those people. So when you go into the money section, as you can see, my main wallet balance is 142. My fuel balance is at 500. That's just what I wanted to keep it at, just to make sure, make absolutely certain that I had enough Tafa fuel to be able to do whatever needs to be done. All right, if they need to take for fees and different stuff like that, I should have plenty in there. All right, so there should be no problem with that. As you can see, one of my bots, my neural net bot, is still scanning the market for trades. That's perfectly fine. My SI bot is currently in a buy order that is that was established, I think, on, and give some details here. I think it was established a couple days ago. And you can get the full history on that if you want for your own trades as well. But to be able to withdraw, right, this $142, I have to input my wallet address, insert the amount, and then a one-time verification passcode that'll be sent to your wallet address. All right. Very easy withdrawal process. Only a few things they need. They make sure they have the security to make sure that it is you doing the withdrawal. It says a couple things at the bottom. Only send USDT to this address when you're sending. This is only use TRC20 chain-based USDT, very important. And do not send any other asset/coin to this address, only USDT. Any other asset/coin will not be received in this wallet and cannot be recovered. So I believe this is the same as the note you see when you hit deposit. Of course, that is what the deposit address would be. If you're ready to go ahead and put in Tafa fuel, if you're ready to go ahead and get your membership, that is how you would do it. You hit the money sign at the bottom. It brings up this page. You can decide to transfer as well. So you can transfer, I can transfer some of this fuel balance. Well, maybe I can't. I can transfer some of my main balance to my fuel balance. That's what it looks like I can do. But either way, they have a transfer feature in there. So this app is pretty cool. We have been able to earn from the referral portion of this. It has all these tabs in here. It's talk about earn rewards with Tafabot. Buy and upgrade your license. As you can see, I have the Pro. It's $1,000 a year. It's a one-time pay. I do plan on over time having a big balance in here if it continues to do what it's supposed to do. Won't be the first time, won't be the last time for me to do that. However, as you can see, some of these levels, hey, if you want to have more than 3,000, you might want to start at a little higher level. All right. Of course, that is all you guys' decision. It's not for me to decide for you or anything like that. Let's see if there's anything else that I wanted to share here. They do have the affiliate part. I don't think it's this one. This one just kind of talks about the affiliate reward system, Tafabot reward system, 5 different ways to earn: direct referral bonus, indirect referral bonus, upgrade bonus, repeat sales commission, leadership bonus, and profit sharing. And all you got to do to get started is register, subscribe to a plan, get your referral link, and then share with whoever you feel like you want to share with. All right. Totally up to you. There are some other leaders that are involved with this. Of course, shout out to Sal Khan and Jackson, and for facilitating this information as well. Where is it? Is it here? Join our affiliate system. Okay, so that's how you can see. Right now I've got 73 direct referrals, so not bad. Okay, but the conversion rate isn't that good because there's only 7 of them active. So it is what it is. We'll get to that point when we get to that point. Obviously, people are interested enough to play around in the system and see what's available. And that's fine. I am not here to tell anybody what to do. I am here to show people what I have decided to do, and there is a distinct difference in that. So we're not out here searching for all the referrals or anything like that. As a matter of fact, if anybody sent you this video, join them. Okay, don't feel like you got to join me. Even though my link is in the description below, make sure that if you got this video as a reference for somebody else or just third-party credibility, whatever you're deciding this is for, make sure that they get your link. Make sure that they get your information. As far as my information, it should be very easy to find in the description below, and it'll link you to everything that you need to get started. With that being said, put your 2FA on all the platforms that will allow you and all your wallets, because crypto is indeed the wild, wild west, y'all. And if you ain't strapped, you're bound to get hacked. All right, ask me how I know. It is not very fun at all. If you like this content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. If you want to be updated and notified about everything going on here at BOJ, just make sure you hit the notification bell as well. And please, sir, please, ma'am, don't get scammed by the WhatsApp, man, because if it gets you, there is absolutely nothing that I can do to help you. So stay diligent and vigilant in the comment section and in the space in general. All right, never invest what you're not willing to lose. If you can't lose it, don't put it in here. This is not the place for it, all right? But if you believe in what's going on, if you believe in the opportunity and you have some risk capital, hey, the choice is yours. I'll see you all in the next one. Peace out.